How to recover deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to recover the deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your Facebook. Once you've opened up your Facebook, you will be finding this interface on your screen. So the next thing you need to do is head over to your profile at the top right after opening up your Facebook, and then open up your settings of your Facebook. After going to settings and privacy, open up your account center and you'll be finding different options available here. Go to your informations and permissions, this one right here, and open it up. And once you open it up, you can go ahead and download the information. Once you click on it, click on this one right here, download the transfer information, and then go ahead and select up your Facebook account and tap on next. After that, since we are recovering the Facebook messages, go to specific types of information. After that, once you reach here, go ahead and select up the messages and tap on next, and you can select up the destination. For example, download the device, and then select up the date range from where you want the messages to. After that, tap on save, and you can also select up the email address you want it to be downloaded, and you can also select the format. After the media quality, after everything is done, you can just tap on create files, and once you hit that, it will start downloading, and once it is downloaded, you'll be notified in your email address. So that is it. That is how you download up your Facebook messages, recover it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.